Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a tutorial video on how to paint a foggy watercolor landscape. Let's get started. Right now I'm just sketching the mountains in the reference image. You can find the reference image by using the links in the description below. So first I will be working with the sky. Now remember, after wetting the paper, use small horizontal strokes to put the colors. And in watercolors, we cannot go back to the lighter shades. We have to work from light to the dark. So first off, just block in the light colors. So I'm working with yellow and orange first, and then we will go to the darker shades, which is blue and violet and red. So first just block in the light colors, which is right now what I'm doing. I used Russian blue, cobalt blue, lemon yellow, orange, crimson red and a bit of black for this. These are all Camlin colors and they are pretty cheap and well pigmented. So this is just me painting the sky. Again, while working with blues and yellows, take care that you don't mix these two because they form a very muddy green and it's not really desirable. Let's get to the mountains. So for the mountains, if you want that foggy look, just paint or put color and the pigment at the top of the mountain ranges and just use water and spread the already applied color to the rest of the space for the mountain. You got that? So what we are doing here is we will be applying a dark pigmented color, concentrated color at the top of the mountains, around its edges, and then we will just use water and spread the rest of the color in the rest of the mountain. So this is the second layer. I'm doing just the same thing, just using less water and adding more colors, increasing the contrast of the picture. and this is the third and the last layer. Just take care where you put the colors in the first layer, and then the next two layers are just making the colors look more vibrant and bringing up the contrast, so the painting looks great. Also, at the start of the painting, during the first layer, I usually use a larger brush. I used a size number 10 brush, and for the detailing for the second and the third layers, I used a round brush with size number 8. So you have more control over the detailing process. After the painting is completely dried, remove the masking tape carefully because you don't want the paper to tear off. And it's done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I will keep making such videos every Friday. So keep practicing, guys, and if you recreate any of my tutorials, please let me know. I will link my Instagram profiles and Pinterest boards in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.